This is our Counter-Strike game, which we created so far. Let's take a quick look. You can pick a side. Let's play the counter-terrorists. And then you have your enemy, which is there, which is walking slowly around, so you can actually kill it. You can also pick the other side, then you're on the other side, and you have playing now against... Oh, it killed me. Interesting. Respawn. It's actually killed me, and we have to be fast, so we can kill it. Nice. Then, one important step, what we also have, we have a dev mode where you can actually debug your game. We have a run animation, we have a shoot animation, which we need to improve, and we have the die animation, which for now is pretty fine. That's basically it, so let's go. In our last video, we created this Counter-Strike game. We went from nothing to this state. So basically you can move here. We have an enemy which is looking our location. We can shoot it at, and it's getting some damage, and we can give it a headshot. Today we want to bring it to the next level. We want to have at the end a 3-on-3 game, like a real game playing. So let's get into that. First thing, what we have to do is we're gonna restart this one here. We go here and we have to copy paste our prompt and hit it off. And in the meantime, I will explain you what I actually did. We just start Claude. I paste in the prompt. And then while it's hitting off, it's probably gonna ask me some questions. I will actually explain you what I was doing, why I was doing, and how everything works. Now it's exploring. Let me start understanding the code base, then set up the team for step 1. Good, nice, okay. Now it's busy understanding a little bit the project and thinking. In the meantime, I will just explain you what we are going to do today. So we already have counters. We have a very simple version, and we want to go ahead and improve some things. First thing is that we want to add a dev menu, because I realized it is very important that you can kind of debug what you're doing, why you're doing it. Of course, you can do it like playing the real game, but this is much more difficult. It's much more difficult to make screenshots and things like that. So we will have a dev mode where I can just see my players. So 2 players, the terrorist and the counter-terrorist, and work on their animations. Because right now we don't really have a shooting animations, which is very important for the game. It will install some dependencies. I don't really know why, because they're already installed. Fine for me, just do that, it's okay. Do routine communication. This file is also already there because we're just continuing, but fine, let him do its fun. Now let me read the key source files the team will need. Good, do that. Perfect. What we will do today is basically we will have, on this first step, as said, we will do, let me mark this a little bit so it's clearer for us. This one looks good. We want it green. Can I mark? Yes, I can write. Perfect. First step, basically adding the play mode. In the second mode, we want to be able to pick a side, counter-terrorist or terrorist. That is basically step 2. We will have one enemy that we can actually kill at this time. And step 3, we will start with a full 3 versus 3 gameplay with me plus 2 bots versus 3 other bots. And then in step 4, we will have like the real dust map. We make it bigger. I have to take care that it's not actually too big. We will have long A tunnel and short AB tunnel. Long A tunnel, short AB tunnels with mid doors. Spawn zones for CT and T, very nice. Let's take a quick look what is happening here. Okay. So wants to use JIT. Okay, fine for me, do that. as long as it's not pushing anything to the remote. Oh, we forgot our timer. Sorry for that, because we don't want to work too much. So let's just make it 20 minutes for now. We start this one to get, because you easily flow away in the flow. That's what we don't want today. Good. Create dev branch and play work tree. Okay, it's going to, okay, nice. We were going to work with work trees. That's the first time I'm doing that. Interesting. Fine for me. Do that. So I can play while we work on the work trees. Amazing. No branch exists, only master. Let me fix this and set that up properly. Good. It's creating a work tree for master, so I can keep playing while the bots are working. It's actually the first time that I'm doing that. Would be interesting to see how it works out. And we are already at 43% of context. That's not so good. Hopefully that will not become a problem. If not, we're going to use the compact mode to actually solve it. Now let me create the task for step 1 and spawn the team. Nice. So we have kind of our main agent, which is this one here, the normal Claude Code session, which will now create our teams. In the meantime, we quickly can go back what we actually do, and at step 5 will be a polish. We will have a buy menu, a mini map, and a kill feed round timer. Yeah, stuff like that. Don't know if we will be able to do all of this. We will actually see. And then of course we have like our basic instructions. We have 3 agents. We have the team lead we want to use. We have Igor, which is just a front-end developer, and Boris, which is another front-end developer. This is our basic setup. And now we already have Igor, which spawned. I will read the key files. I need to understand building the team. I think, let me spawn Igor and Boris to work on task 1 and 2. Yeah, the coordinator, it seems they did not spawn yet. The team lead, the critic, and checker revise work, and Boris suggests improvement based on the learning checks. Okay, we did not really define this one as the team lead. Oh no, we did. It's here. Can I remove that just to see it better? Oh, this was not my intention. I just wanted to remove that. No idea how this works. Just do that. So we have here our team lead. Jack is our team lead, which is supposed to do stuff for us. Jack, our team lead. Oh, I'm very good at this, you see. Nice. So what is happening right now? Do you want to create? I don't know why it's asking me to do stuff. We just say yes. So our main agent is somehow also doing some dev work. Do you want to create dev state? Yes, allow. Okay, that was a solution. Just allow stuff while they do things. Who is working on what? We have Igor is working on, is waiting now. And we have Boris working on, let me verify it complies and checking if there are any of which issues. Do you want to edit team? Yes, allow all edits during this session. We have a file called team communication. That's one is used that they can actually communicate with each other. That's a very important step. I don't know why I have to say that all the time. I mean, this guy can just, I think it's the agents actually asking for permissions in this window here, which is okay. Yeah. Wire up main TS escape handling and node switching. So let's see if we actually have already an escape menu. Nice, we do have an escape menu. We have the play mode and the dev mode. And I have to say it looks really nice. It looks really Counter-Strike style. We try it. Nice, we have now, okay, I can move with my, that's very nice. We have the different, now they are on idle. The keys are working like upside down. This is fine for me now. Actually, I don't want to move that much for now. I just want to turn the camera. Okay, so we have run. That's okay. And we have shoot. shoot is definitely not working, and die is working. We can live with that. The only thing we have to work on is actually the shoot animation. We just tell it that this is not really working. We go back. Seems to be ready. Yes, it is ready. The shooting animation is not working at all. Maybe there's actually an error. Let's check that. Go. Okay. Run, shoot. No, we don't have any console errors. We go back, tell it like that. It's checking the production. Okay. The shooting animation is not working at all. Fix that. But okay, let's actually see. We close this one here. We restart the game. We just go play mode. Okay, play mode did not change yet. Okay, nice. The shooting animation is not working at all. Fix that, but in the meantime, the team can proceed. Nice. I'm very happy with the results so far. That looks definitely good. Those two are now idle, and this Jack is missing a little bit. Maybe, oh, sorry, I have to do this very quickly. I think it's the first time that you see that someone is doing this in a YouTube video, but it was necessary, and I'm not so the cutting guy. I hit off my message. Okay, good. Let me check. Jack is actually here somewhere, but we cannot see him. Okay, we have the hidden Jack. Jack is somewhere. We don't know where. Good. We just run this. Doing some checks, review and test. Okay, this is done. It passes. Now let me fix the shooting animation while the team can continue. Let me look at how the shooting animation works in dev state. Okay, but our team is not actually continuing. I think I stop it. I see the problem. Can I stop that? Doesn't seem like that. Maybe you first give some tasks to the team. I don't know now what actually I stopped. I pressed sometime for several times. I escape. It's working on the shooting animations, it seems. Let's just test that. Shoot. Yeah, just maybe I give it a screenshot what the shooting animation actually looked like. And they are not holding the gun correctly. I think I wanna see that Jack that Jack does this. Okay, now dev state was reset. They started to do something. Tell Jack to take a look at how the characters holding the guns, that looks off. I will just go back to dev mode, make a screenshot. Okay, I cannot right now because they are working on that. So our work tree is not working that well. This one is shooting now, I think. I think that's the shooting animation. Let's end its suffering. Good. We have 11 minutes left. We have some errors. Very nice. Have unused variables. Let me fix those quickly. Tell Jack to take a look at how the characters holding the guns. That looks off. Actually, they should use 2 arms to hold the machine gun like in real life. I think that will be very difficult for the AI to do that correctly, but I'm open to be positively surprised. Just do that. Probably need to compact this one. Standing by for the next assignment, so they are both standing by. If I refresh the page, let's see, we have the play mode. Nothing changed yet. Probably our changes needs to be connected. we do have 10 minutes left. And Boris added a good feature, but has TypeScript. Boris added a good feature, but has TypeScript errors. Let me check. tsconfig and fix. The exit method is missing. We do have some errors, I think, now. No, we don't have actually errors in the console here. Or I don't see them. Connecting, connected. That's basically everything what we have. I think that's fine. We have this strange animation here. And clean build. Now let me send the gun building task to Jack. Okay, Jack, we do. Jack, by the way, is Igor is Jack and Igor at the same time. It seems fine for me. So we are supposed to have 3 agents, but only 2 spawned. That's okay. Let's hit yes here. We're just gonna do a type check, I think, and we want to compact the session. As soon as it asks me for do something, I will compact the session and then proceed. Hopefully that will not kill the agents. Build is clean, Agar improved the shoot animation. Let's take a look at this. Dev mode. Okay, now we have, okay. Now, this is the shooting animation? Not sure about that. Let's go try the dev mode. Okay, I cannot enter the dev mode. Yes, shoot. Yeah. Oh, the idea is right, actually. Only the hand holding is not correct. I think I gave it a screenshot because, yeah, basically this is how... Oh, sorry. I killed him. Fully type check and production build. Nice. Oh, I wanted to compact the conversation. I'll let it do it. Wait, what is happening now? Two-handed weapon hold fixed in all animations. Good work. I doubt that. Let's restart. The rifle holding. Okay, now it's changed something. It's holding the arms differently. It looks better though. The shooting, it is shooting at me, by the way. This is our shooting animation. We have to, I think I have to give it some screenshots to prove that. How much time we have left? We have 7 minutes left. Or we proceed with the game logic. I think we can proceed with the game logic for now and ask one agent to work only on the shooting animation. Okay. Look, I compact the conversation now. No, I let it give it some tasks and then I try to compact the conversation. Good. What we do looks good. I tested it. Proceed with next step, which is, yeah. Oh, we let it figure it out. Looks good. I tested it. Proceed with next step. Still thinking on something. Let's merge domain so the play working tree is up to date. Then kick. Okay. I don't know if this is actually. Well, just do that. Do that for me. That's totally fine. Do whatever you want as long as it's improving my game. Merge dev to master to play work tree. Let's do that. I'm curious about what will happen now. Just restart here. And we have our dev mode. We have our shoot animation. We have our die animation. We have idle. We have run. Nice. Let's switch to play mode. Nothing changed. This one has some issues with merging, it seems. Good, master is updated. Now let me create tasks for step 2 and assign the team. Nice, it's doing that. Hopefully that in the meantime it will compact its conversation. Good, master is updated. Now this one is actually walking. The legs are longer now. Am I wrong? Don't know. Headshot is still working. Well, I'm happy. This is really becoming something fun. Add team selection screenshot before gameplay. Implement smart enemy AI with cover and reactions. Very curious how this will look like. This context is filling up. This context, they look good. Igor is already doing something. That's perfect. Build team selection. And this one, I think it's still idle. Or confirmed, stand by. Good. Maybe this is blocked by what Igor is doing. Okay, now Boris also started. Perfect. Implement smart enemy AI. Yeah, that makes sense. So one can actually work on the menu while the other is working on the current code base. Now let me also read the player control to understand the player hitbox position system. That could be actually tricky. We will see how this works in Three.js. Good. Both are working parallel. I will review and integrate task 7 once they are done. I think we use this time now for a compact command to have fresh context. Hope that everything will still work after this compacting. But I'm confident that the team of Anthropic was thinking of that. Now this one is actually moving. Not that fast. Hola. This is now... It's very slow and I don't get any damage. I think I'm supposed to get damage and kind of die now. Let's see if I go here. Oh no, it's really... No, it's a little slow. It's still shooting at me. But yeah, this one is moving too slow. Okay, we can easily fix that later. We are in the compacting mode. We have 3 minutes left. Something is happening here. We now have a black screen and some errors. Yes. Fire cooldown is not defined. Okay, I like it that we're gonna get a fire cooldown actually. Error is gone. What they are doing, this one is still working on team selection system and this one is working on, don't know, start smart enemy with cover. Nice. Oh, I really like it that you can have like, okay, the compact session is done. Hopefully that it will continue with doing stuff and was not interrupted by me. Good. Tail. Yeah, this is not what I wanted. Oh, sorry for that. Now it seems that everything is continuing. In the meantime, I think I would give it... I'll let them work now. Yeah, I think we just let them work. We don't have that much time left. We have only 2 minutes left. And we want to go for the next state. Now update play state with player health, damage handling, death overlay, and enemy shooting integration. That's going to be fun. We have 55% of context and 56% of context. It should be still fine. We have the team selection, which is done. Let me restart this. Play mode. Nice. Choose your side. We want to be... we were the good ones, no? Always be the good ones to win. There's no... Okay, this guy is... Let me check this again. Now... Okay. Ah, yeah. This is, by the way, the good guy, which is shooting at me. Let me kill it. Perfect. So this actually works. We have a correct team selection. And okay, now we're implementing smart enemy with cover and reactions. I'm curious how this works. 2 quick fixes needed. Let me fix those, then handle the play. Okay, it's working on some fixes now. In the meantime, now let me integrate the cover system and enemy shooting into the play state. Good. What is happening? Yeah, this one is now moving. It's That's a new way of finding cover. You just go inside the things and then you are in cover. Smart. I like the way of thinking of AI. Well, in the meantime, we can check if everything works fine. We type check. Now let me check if the linear linter changed anything important in enemy TS, then run the build. Running the build. Let me shut down the team since, okay, they will be sent home now. They have done their job as step 2 is done. Good. Let's try it. We do have only one enemy, which is hiding from us, and which is walking, which is what we wanted. We don't have yet our team. We can kill it. We will commit the next step. Shut down. Yeah, our team is sent home, and we finished our second step. The time is over. What we have right now, let's give it a quick look. Good. Yeah. We just give it merge dev to master via play work tree. Let's do that. That seems to be the final step. I know that the time is over, but let's let it do its final cleaning. Once this is done, I show you what we have, and then I let you go. Team is cleaned up, step tie is committed and merged, ready for your test. Let me know what you think. Nice. We refresh the page. Now it really starts like that. We still have the dev mode and the play mode. The play mode is right now like this. We choose a side and we move in the game. Our enemy is finding cover and we can just kill it easily. Very nice. If we change the side, then we are starting on the other side and we play against the other player. Very, very nice. Perfect. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give me a like and a subscribe. And I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.